myself, Master Dhruva Yogeshwaram from Uma Milin Pawar High School, Devgarh, district Sindhudurga. Today we all know the world is facing big problem of waste management. I have a small idea which is related to our waste management problem. In this project, first of all, we have to segregate the waste in two main types, dry waste and wet organic waste. Let's see how it works. My model is divided into two parts, incinerator and boiler. In incinerator, we have to burn the dry waste such as plastic bags, papers, etc. By burning it, we can decrease its volume up to 90%. On the other hand, we can collect thermal power by using TEG, thermoelectric generator plate. The thermoelectricity generated by TEG can be used for social consumption as well. Now move towards the boiler. In the boiler, we have to boil the wet organic waste such as food scraps, food waste, etc. This waste is boiled here at the maximum temperature of 80 degrees Fahrenheit to create high pressure water vapors in it. This high pressure water vapors goes through the turbine and rotates it, and electricity is generated. This electricity can be used for social consumption and industrial use. Now let's see how my model works. This electricity is generated by the incinerator, which the dry waste is burned, and thermal energy is collected, and thermal energy is converted into electricity. Let's see how wet organic waste is converted into hydroelectricity. First, boiler. In the boiler, we have to boil the wet organic waste such as food scraps. This electricity is used to pumping the water, which is created by the water vapors which goes through the turbine. The ash remains from the incinerator can be processed, and we can make bricks and road construction material from it. The smoke emitting from the chimney of the furnace can be processed, and filter air can be released in the air. In the air filtration plant, the 45% of carbon dioxide is absorbed here, and the pure air is released in the atmosphere. The residue from the boiler can be processed, and compost fertilizers can be used as the farming purpose. Waste such as papers, plastic bottles, utensils, etc. By burning it, we can collect thermal energy generator plates, and this thermal power can be converted into electricity, and electricity can be used for social sex scraps, fruit waste, etc. at the maximum temperature of 80 degrees Fahrenheit to create high pressure water vapor. Now in conclusion, we can produce thermal power by burning dry waste, and hydroelectric power by boiling wet waste. That's why I say don't waste waste, turn it into energy. Thank you.